Alright, I'm back. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this side quest for the cabaret club. Because recording it and everything, I'm not sure if I want to just go through it now and then progress the main story, or if I want to do the main story first and then progress this. Damn cat, he's loud. Honestly, I think I might do is I just might advance a little bit more in the cabaret club storyline, and then get to Kiryu's so that I can finally upgrade Kiryu's skill trees. He's very loud. I wonder why he's meowing. I just brought him back inside. He went outside for 10 minutes. My cat, that is. Well, how long was I out there? I'm gonna say 10 minutes. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do this Dolce Camilla thing, and then I'll progress the cabaret club a little bit more, and then I guess I'll progress the story because I'm going to go through all the content post-game as well, the sub-stories, the Coliseum, and other stuff. What is it, kitty cat? There you are. Well, that's it.
皆様ご機嫌いかがでショータイム司会のドルチェカミヤです
As always, we kick off the show with shoutouts to our faithful listeners by reading out postcards.
ドルチェカミヤのおはがきドルチェ
Did my postcard make the cut? Here's hoping he reads the one from Girl Chan.
ジャッジメントカズクさん
Let's see, got beat out by Kiryu. Oh, it's time already. Too bad, too sad, but that's our show for today, folks.
See you next
Alright
time.
then, make sure to tune in again. Goodbye and see you next time. Didn't make it on the air. I'll try again with another story. Kitty cat, are you trying to... Here. He wants to get in the windowsill so we can look outside. Anyways. Let's see. Let's check out Club Jupiter. Alright, let's all take a little field trip to Kizuka's Club Jupiter. Ah, yes. I would love to, but unfortunately, I have a few urgent things I need to take care of. What? You being real with me? You ain't scared of stupid old Kizuka, are you?
Eh?
What are you trying to say, Majima-san? I really do have work I have to finish before tomorrow. Trust me. I don't know about that. But whatever. Guess I'll make the trip all on my lonesome today. Hold on a second. We'll go too. We can't let you go by yourself. Ai-chan and Yuki-chan. It's nice of you to tag along, but you sure about this? Things may get a little more hairy than you're used to. Oh, we'll be fine. We know you'll protect us, Majima-san. Well, that's true. Ai-chan, I'll protect you no matter what happens. You'll protect me too, right? Majima, what the fuck? Of course. Hey, you paused. Did you have to think about it? Majima, what the fuck? It's like, damn, is Yuki worth it? So this is Kizuka's Club Jupiter. It looks flashier than sunshine. Don't be intimidated, Yuki-chan. Our club's just as great. We can go toe-to-toe with them. You're right. We won't be defeated.
Boy.
Shh. Someone's coming.
Oi.
Okay, boys. Did you manage to collect on those deadbeats we talked about? Yes, sir. Just like you said. We went to the guy's work and gave him a little scare. He paid right away. Good. And you? Yeah, I held his wife and kid hostage. Easy money. What a dick. Good, good. Well done. We've met our quota. Sir, we just got a request from Tsukiyama-sama to take care of a customer on Club Moon's blacklist. Damn. Again? And that bastard Tsukiyama? I'm real tired of doing his dirty work like I'm his personal bitch. Well, nothing for it. Boys, change of plans. After you do your thing at the club I told you about, bring Tsukiyama's customer to the usual torture room. Got it? Yes, sir. So that's the 5 stars dirty work that Yodo-chan was talking about. They're talking about torture. We should call the police. Nah. If we call the cops, even if they do their jobs right, only those guys get caught. They'll never give up Kizuka's name. So no one can pin any crimes on him? Hey, it's Saki-chan. Saki-chan? Kizuka-san, we need to let the girls take more time off. Saki, what's wrong? You need a break? I'm not asking for myself. Some of those girls have worked so much they're getting sick. If you don't got the stamina, to do the job, then I don't need them at my club. They want time off, tell them to ask me to my face. Not that they have the guts. They don't, that's why I'm asking. Oh, Saki. If only everyone was as gifted as you are. But that's enough chit-chat. Let's get back to work. Well, at least he's not a dickhead like his girl. We got some chair to make. Wait, Kizuka-san. I wasn't finished. That's Club Jupiter's #1 girl, Busy Bee Saki. Busy Bee? Really? They say she has the most stamina of all the hostesses who work in Sotenbori. She's the reigning champion of working the most consecutive days. No one's beaten her record yet. Wait, who's keeping record books on the hostess trade? All the same, Saki seems like an amazing lady. She's famous. If you're in the cabaret club industry and don't know Saki-chan, you're just a poser. Yuki. So Club Jupiter has Busy Bee Saki. That'll make him a tough customer. Let's go back to the club. I bet Yoda-chan's getting lonely all by himself.
Hi.
Wait, that was Majima that said that. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck. Uh-oh. Oh no! Yoda-chan! Majima-san.
What?
Hey, you okay? What the hell happened? 3 men wearing black barged in and started beating on me. They said they wouldn't allow us to interfere in Club Jupiter's business. Were they Kizuka's men? That's beyond y'all awful. Damn it. I'm going over to Club Jupiter right now and give them a taste of their own medicine. Hold on. What is it? Yoda-chan. Please, I don't want you to take revenge. If we do, we're no better than the 5 stars. Yoda, do you know who you're talking to? I'm ex-Yakuza. That's such a funny fucking thing to say to Majima of all people. But, no, we have to fight them fair and square. Or this will have no meaning. So please, no acts of vengeance. Yoda-san. Alright, Yoda-chan. You're the boss. That's good. Yoda-chan! Seems like this is the end for me. I'll look over you, Majima-san, and everyone else from heaven forever. Yoda-chan? This can't be. Oh no. Damn it. I never should have left him alone. Damn it. Damn it! Yoda-san, you worked so hard for us. How could this happen? This ain't happening. We gotta take down the 5 stars together. Come on! Wake up, Yoda-chan! Yoda-chan! Wait. This fool's breathing. You're right. He's snoring.
What?
Hey. Yoda-chan! Wake up! He's fast asleep. I can't believe it. But I'm so glad Yoda-san is okay. I'm really glad. You've got a big heart, I-chan. Kizuka and Club Jupiter, we're going to get them back for beating them fair. Oh, fuck. We're going to go get them back by beating them fair and square. He'll pay for this with interest. Some unreasonable damn interest. No, I can't eat another bite. So full. Is this guy for real? Alright. I'll run this for a little bit, and then I'll cut to whenever something interesting happens.
それじゃあ
はーい。えへへ。
んそうやな。
はい、もちろんいいですよ。あ、でもエッチな質問はなしですよ。
それじゃあ
男の人のタイプか。優しい人かな。
ほう。
あはは、そうかも。私わ、急に
そう。
あはは、そんなに
それじゃあ
そうそう、そういう人のことを思いそうだ、真島さんは
そうやな。ちょい待てや。
そうですよね。
そういや。
あ、それ聞いちゃいます？違いますよ。
何やと？
前のお店のお客さんだった。
ほう。
前の店では特に規制もなかったので、そういう子は結構多かったです。私、振られひどくないですか？私、彼氏の前では無口になるみたいで、それがダメだったらしいです。あはは、真島さん。いやいや、違うんです。
そういや。
そうですね。もう好きって。ああ、わかっ。
ほ
う。いやいや、アタック。ずっと胸にしまっておくかな。それでいずれその人に彼女ができて勝手に
なんや。
真島さん、素敵です。無理してでも思いを伝えたくなる。真島、
お疲れ。
I was walking around and this phone started ringing. I was about to actually go fight Mr. Shakedown. Right here. But this is close enough. Let's do this real quick. Answer the phone. This phone's really bugging me. Might as well answer it. Yeah? Hello. You answered at last. Huh? This guy sounds awful chirpy. This is a public phone. Sure you got the right number? Yes, it's you I want to speak with. Who the hell are you? And what do you want with me?
Yeah.
Who I am doesn't matter. I don't know who you are either.
Huh?
The hell? You just said you wanted to talk to me. It didn't have to be you. Anyone who picked up the phone would have been fine. But in the end, you were the one who answered. That's fate, I tell you. No doubt about it.
Huh?
Listen, man. I have telephone clubs for this kind of thing. I ain't in the mood to get sweet talked here. Aw, are you rejecting me already? At least hear me out first. No funny business or I'm hanging right the hell up. I want you to play a game with me. This sounds like funny business. The rules are simple. Just bring me the item I ask for, okay?
Huh?
First thing I'm gonna say is what's in it for me. Page 413 of the phone book. Huh? The phone book under the phone. Open it up. 100,000 yen. Okay. Whoa. If you win the game, I'll pay you an even bigger reward. How about it? Still think there's nothing in it for you? Are you in the habit of leaving that much cash in a phone book anyone can thumb through? You're a real nutter. I like that. I'll play your game. Really? Great. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
That saves me the trouble of detonating the bomb I planted in that phone booth. In case you turn me down. The hell? Where? I had time on my hands, so I installed a bomb in that phone's handset. One press of this button and kaboom. You gotta be bluffing. Can you say that with certainty? It doesn't matter if you believe me or not. I don't need to trigger it anymore.
Huh?
You crazy fuck. Well, what is it that you want me to get for this game of yours? For starters, how about you bring me a 9mm automatic pistol? A 9mm... A gun? What the hell are you gonna do with that? Oh, I wouldn't concern yourself with what I need it for.
Yeah.
I'm only interested in seeing if you can procure one. I ain't a fan of getting put to the test, but I can score that for you, no problem. Have the cash ready. It will be. Once you get a 9mm automatic pistol, bring it back to the payphone. Good luck. Where the fuck am I gonna get a handgun? I mean, there's a dragon and tiger over here. They don't exactly deal those. Well, actually, I'm gonna have to go ahead and go get Mr. Shakedown. BRB. There he is. Mr. Shakedown. Well, one of them. I'm waiting for him to get close enough. This bike rack right here, secret victory. With it, I'll be able to spam heat moves of just smashing a bike over his head over and over again. Ideally. There it is. Oh, fuck. Get up, watch me go. Oh shit, I'm getting my shit out. Better heal. No. I better do cool for a second, actually. Oh, I might as well show off that I did unlock a little bit of this. Open up that skill tree. grab this. Damn. I really am getting my shit wrong. This is not good. I need to play it cool. Oh man. Fucking hell.
Huh?
お前
あ
金出せ。
邪魔や。
Finally, I've been hunting him down and getting my ass beat by him a ton of different times. You're the strongest man I've ever known. You're not bad yourself. The local trash doesn't compare. Think so? Thanks. Guess that means something coming from the infamous Lord of the Night. Huh? You know about me? Sure I do. You're Goro Majima. You really were a big deal around here, huh? I knew there was something different about you. Never trust the rumors. I ain't as big as a deal as they say. But enough about me. Tell me why you're so single-minded about shaking down folks for money rather than doing something productive with your own time.
Oh.
You really want to know? I guess I can tell you. It's because my dad told me to do it.
Huh?
Huh? Your old man? When I moved out of my parents' house, my dad told me I was a man now and had to make my own money and fend for myself. So that's what I'm doing. I can't go find a regular job because being on someone's payroll isn't really what fending for yourself is about. Can't be dependent on others, right? I'm pretty sure that's what your dad meant. But wait, I thought you were just getting money to have fun with. You're making all your cash this way?
Huh?
Duh. If I don't beat people up, I can't eat or pay rent. He pays rent? Your dad had way too much faith in you, letting you live on your own. Whatever. You see how things stand? Get more money ready for the next time we meet, okay? How the hell is that fitting for yourself? Alright. Guess I'm not getting rid of this guy. Better steer clear of him next when my wallet's too fat. Alright, now... Oh, there's a store right here? Oh, Sonobury. I had no idea there's a store right here. I want to check it out. Take a couple of these and then go. Now, for my next idea, go to the Johnny guy, take all this cash and then put it in Kiryu's pocket. I'll use that to help me when I'm with Kiryu and leveling up the business management. Nothing hits the spot like a baked sweet potato in winter. I do mine in a little bonfire on fresh banknotes. Gives them a nice, rich flavor. Anyway, enough about that. Welcome to the investment fund. What'll it be today? I'll put some money in. Oh shit, that wasn't generic lines. I'll just kind of let that roll for now.
Huh.
Time you see me again when you got more money to spare. I got a lot of money to spare, dude. I want to give you more money. Oh well. Oh, I can't walk into the Grand. No, it's kind of a shame I can't have Club Sunshine and the Grand work together like that. That'd be nice. There's the other Mr. Shakedown. Holy shit, he has a billion yen? I have close to a billion yen. It's highly tempting to go fight him. I'll do this. Might as well upgrade Thug Style. Any moves I can add to it? I guess I'll do these two moves. Secret of the Night Lord Skull and Great Snake Venom. Green Snake Venom. Oh. guess I better go back to Kamurocho. I'll cap it off here and I'll pick up again with the story. So next time, ciao.